Hello students, welcome to another video. This is Hamza Noor from Aero Education Network, and in this particular video I'm going to discuss a question from AS level maths, pure maths 1, Cambridge 9709 May June 2019, paper 1 variant 3. The question number is 8. So it says that a curve is such that dy over dx is equals to 3x square plus ax plus b. The curve has stationary points at -1, 2 and 3, k. Find the values of the constants a, b, and k. So, as we know the fact that two stationary points are given to us, and we can say that the value of dy over dx at the x coordinates of the stationary points is equal to 0. Meaning, we can say that dy over dx we can say that dy over dx at x is equals to -1 is 0. And in the same way, we can say that dy over dx at x is equals to 3 is also 0 because two stationary points are given to us over here. So what we can do over here is that we can use these two facts in order to make two equations connecting a and b, where a and b would be unknown. And then we are going to solve those two equations simultaneously in order to find the values of a and b. And once we are able to find the values of a and b, so we would be able to, find the complete dy over dx function. And then we will integrate this in order to get the equation of the curve. And then we will use these points in order to find the value of k. Okay, so as simple as that. So first of all, in the dy over dx function, I'm going to put x is equals to -1. So 3 times -1 is squared plus a times -1 plus b, and this whole thing will be equal to 0. So here we can see that we have an equation which is connecting a and b, which is 3 minus a plus b is equals to 0. Meaning I can say that b minus a is equals to -3. Okay, here we have equation number 1, which is connecting a and b over here. And now we can say that when dy over dx at x is equals to 3, this is also equal to 0. So this essentially means that 3 times 3 is square plus a times 3 plus b, and this whole thing is equal to 0. So 3 times 3 square is 3 times 9, so 27 plus 3a plus b is equal to 0. So here we have an equation number 2, which is connecting a and b over here, where a and b are unknown right now. Okay, so if I make an equation where I can make b the subject, so b is equals to -3 plus a, meaning b is equals to a minus 3. Here we have equation number 3. I'm going to substitute this into equation number 2. So 27 plus 3a plus, in place of b, I'm going to write a minus 3. And this whole thing is equal to 0. Okay, so 3a plus a is 4a, and 27 minus 3 is basically 24. Okay, so 4a plus 24 is equal to 0, meaning 4a is equals to -24. Therefore, a is equals to -24 over 4. A is equals to -6. The value of a over here is a is equals to -6. Okay. And now what we are going to do, we are going to find the value of b. So b is equals to a minus 3. So -6 minus 3 is -9. Therefore, we can say that b is equals to -9. Okay, a is equals to -6 and b is equals to -9. And now what we need to do, we need to find the value of k over here. And as we can see that 3 comma k is basically the point which is lying on the curve. So I need to find the equation of the curve. So in order to find the equation of the curve, I need to integrate the dy over dx function. Okay, in order to get the equation, in order to get the equation of the curve, I'm going to integrate the dy over dx function with respect to x. Okay, so in order to get the equation of the curve, we need to integrate 3x square plus ax plus b with respect to x. Okay, and as we can see that a is equals to -6 and b is equals to -9. All right, so a is equals to -6 and b is equals to -9. We need to integrate this with respect to x. Okay, so y will be equals to 3 times x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1, meaning 3x cube over 3 minus 6x square over 2 minus 9x plus c. Okay, so this means that equation of the curve is y is equals to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus c. Okay, since we are dealing with an indefinite integral, so c is unknown over here. We need to find this constant first. Okay, and for that purpose, we are going to use this point which is known to us. This point is completely known to us. It is given to us -1, comma 2. When x is equals to -1, the corresponding value of y is equals to 2. Under this condition, we are going to find the value of c. Okay, so I'm going to say that 2 is equals to -1 cubed minus 3 times -1 is squared minus 9 times -1 plus c. Okay, so 2 is equals to -1 minus 3 plus 9 plus c. Okay, so c will be equals to -1 minus 3 plus 9, this will be 5. So c will be equals to 2 minus 5, meaning c is equals to -3. Okay, so this means that the equation of the curve is y is equals to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 3. All right, and now we need to find the value of k, and as we know the fact that 3 comma k is a point which is lying on the curve, so it means that when x is equals to 3, the corresponding value of y is equals to k. Okay, so we are going to use this point 3 comma k over here. Okay, so I'm going to say that k is equals to 3 cube minus 3 times 3 square minus 9 times 3 minus 3. All right, so k will be equals to 27 minus 27 minus 27 minus 3. So 27 minus 27 cancelled out, and k is therefore equals to -30. Okay, in this way, we have attempted this question. K is equals to -30, A is equals to -6, and B is equals to -9. All right, so here was a question from AS Level Maths P1 Cambridge past papers. If you want to see more videos on mathematics, ONA level mathematics, so subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.